everybody, it is me, Jennifer Bunny, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make s'mores and like the right time to cook them, if you don't have a campfire, a microwave, and just the way to make them perfect. What you're going to need for this are some honey-made graham crackers, a Hershey's chocolate bar, and jet puffed marshmallows. I'm going to show you how to make them. So the best way to do it is to get the graham cracker out and split it in two so that you can have one on the top and then the other stuff. I think that the best way is to start with the chocolate, then the marshmallow, to make the marshmallow stay more sturdier so it doesn't fall over when it's in the microwave or campfire. And then you're going to put that like that, Hershey's on top of the graham cracker, put the marshmallow on top, squish it down a little bit, hold it for a bit, and now it should be a pretty flat like this. Then top it with the graham cracker. This is what it should look like. Once you have it in the kitchen, you're going to squish it down a little more, just for safe measure, and then put it in the microwave. Once you put it in the microwave, you're going to close the door, and you're going to put it in for 9 seconds. Once it beeps, take it out, and you should see your s'more. Now, it might have tipped over since it's not exactly the most sturdiest, but it is a s'more. Make sure that it's all centered and then squish it down once again. Now, enjoy!